Hello Cascade Art students! Let us have another free online class on basic drawing. During our Saturday art tutorials, we taught workshop attendees how to draw still life by starting from geometrical shapes. To illustrate this, we have here a setup of a ceramic kettle. Let us have some fun doing our on-the-spot drawing. Watch this quick video on sketching to draw objects. Today, we will be using HB pencil for sketching, a 6B pencil for shadowing and refining, a kneaded eraser, and a sketchpad for drawing. Let us begin. Before diving into your main sketch, do some warm-up exercises to get your hand and mind in sync. Try drawing circles, straight lines, curves, and squiggles to loosen up your wrist. Start by blocking in the basic shapes of your subject. Use simple geometric forms like circles, ovals, rectangles, or triangles to represent different object elements. Pay attention to the proportions and relationships between these shapes. Begin sketching with light, faint lines. Avoid pressing too hard on the pencil to make it easier to adjust and refine your sketch later. In dealing with contour lines, focus on the outlines or contours of your subject. Follow the edges and curves to define the shape. Remember, you're not aiming for perfection, so don't fear imperfections or mistakes. Now let's do the detailing and shading. Once you have the basic outline, add more details to your sketch. Observe the shadows and highlights to add depth and dimension to your drawing. Use hatching or parallel lines, cross-hatching to share overlapping lines, or stripling dots to create different shading effects. Remember to keep it loose and expressive. Embrace the imperfections and variations in your sketch. Freehand drawing is about capturing the essence and feel of the subject rather than creating a perfect replica. Now we're done! For your assignment, observe and choose your own subject. Look around your surroundings or find a reference image or object to sketch. Start with simple objects or scenes when you're just beginning. Be patient and have fun. Don't be too hard on yourself. Your sketches can turn out as you imagine. Keep experimenting. exploring, and enjoying the process of freehand sketching. Remember, the beauty of freehand sketching lies in its spontaneity and individuality. Let your style and creativity shine through, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Happy sketching!